Now let's proceed to the fourth way of submitting mechanical jobs, which is by using Python. To use this method, we need to install a Python package called HPS. You can find details about this package on hps.docs.pyansys.com. To download the results, we will need additional packages for the graphical visualization of the download progress, which are tqdm and Humanize. The installation could be done easily in a virtual Python environment, which can be created, for example, using the Ansys Python Manager. You can find details and the installation link on developer.ansys.com/ansys-python-manager. Let's have a look at the installation process. In the Ansys Python Manager, I will go to the Create Virtual Environment tab, enter a name, and click Create. After the virtual environment has been successfully created, from the Manage Python environments, I will launch the console and install the free packages mentioned previously by typing pip install ansys-hps-client, pip install Humanize, and pip install tqdm. After the installation is complete, we can use these packages to automate the process of submitting, monitoring the progress, and downloading the results. Let's have a look at an example submission. In this folder, I have an ASCII input for the solver, a Python script to automate the process of submitting, monitoring and downloading the results, and a batch file, which will provide the convenience to automatically start the script by drag and dropping the ASCII to the batch file. By doing so, the job will be submitted to the HPC Platform Services and a command prompt window will appear. Here we can monitor the status of the job and the downloading of the data. Of course, we can do this from the HPC Manager tool. Once the job is solved, the results will be automatically downloaded to the desktop.